Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The renowned Bavarian automaker is making a major entry into the premium recreational vehicle market with the 2025 BMW Premium Motorhome. Although luxury cars are BMW's main area of expertise, the idea of a high-end motorhome with their logo implies a careful blending of automotive perfection with the needs of mobile living. A car with a high level of design sophistication, cutting-edge technology integration, and a driving experience worthy of the brand's well-established reputation can be imagined. The 2025 BMW Premium Motorhome's exterior design would probably follow BMW's modern aesthetic, with its clean lines, unique kidney grille, and possibly signature lighting features. BMW engineering is known for its aerodynamic efficiency, which would probably be a major factor on the vehicle's overall design. Its premium stance in the RV industry would be further highlighted by the incorporation of premium exterior materials and finishes. Under the surface, the motorhome would probably profit from BMW's experience with powertrains. Although the exact specifications are yet unknown, one may expect a potent and effective engine, possibly a version of their well-known inline-six or a cutting-edge hybrid system that would provide a smooth and competent driving experience. BMW's cutting-edge suspension technology would be integrated into the chassis, which would be designed for comfort and stability to ensure a smooth ride even on long trips. Similar to those in BMW's high-end cars, driver assistance technologies would probably be included to improve convenience and safety. Without a doubt, luxury and practicality would be given top priority within the 2025 BMW Premium Motorhome. Premium leather, exquisite wood veneers, and finely wrought metal accents are examples of high-quality materials that would create an atmosphere of elegant comfort. The arrangement would be carefully planned to optimize both space and functionality, maybe including creative storage options and flexible living spaces. Connectivity and entertainment would be offered by sophisticated infotainment systems that are smoothly incorporated into the car's entire technological design. High-end appliances and well-planned facilities in the living and sleeping areas are also anticipated, demonstrating a dedication to providing a first-rate living experience while traveling. Market positioning-wise, the 2025 BMW Premium Motorhome would probably go after affluent consumers looking for a recreational vehicle that provides both opulent lodging and a driving experience consistent with the BMW brand. It would emphasize a fusion of dynamic performance and luxurious comfort, marking a break from more traditional motorhome designs. The vehicle's luxury reputation would be further cemented by the use of state-of-the-art technology throughout, from the powertrain and driving dynamics to the interior luxuries and connectivity features. The idea of a BMW Premium Motorhome offers an alluring combination of luxury cars and the flexibility of mobile life, even though the specifics are still up in the air.